Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be checking out some hair transformation that will have you calling your stylist and heading to the hairdresser. Absolutely gorgeous hair color switch up for the first one. Followed by this bob haircut that features a pop of blonde and the bangs. Such a chic, modern bob style. Absolutely love this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of salon-worthy hairstyles. So if you have been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hot hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous blonde pixie makeover, absolutely stunning transformation. And then we have someone who has decided to switch it up with another bob haircut. Absolutely stunning blunt bob. This one does have an angle as well. Gorgeous. Next up, we have someone with waist-length hair. Another gorgeous bob on full display. So effortless and chic, absolutely amazing. And then we have a pop of purple. Such a fun hair trend to try out. And then we have a stunning lob haircut. Beautiful blunt cut on the ends. Gorgeous, and this cut is perfect for her square jawline. It really just accents her cheekbones and makes them pop. Next up, we have another bob haircut. Oh, very nice side swept bangs with this one. Absolutely gorgeous. So it looks like this one will involve some color. Oh, so she's going with purple. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love the hidden pop of purple. The stylist is also adding some bangs, gorgeous curtain style bangs. Absolutely stunning transformation. Definitely one of my favorites throughout the entire video. So pretty. She has so many fun styling options with that style too. I like the fact that the stylist was kind of playing around to show her that. So fun. So here we have someone trying more of that layered hair trend. Great way to shake up some pouring hair. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And of course, she was able to achieve so much volume with the layers. So I hope you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. Please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up if you did, and check out this one if you want to see even more hot hair trends.